Good morning, my friends. Another day in Georgia. I'm in Mestia and the screens of my car are frozen. That's how cold it is here in the night. I have no idea what I'm going to do today. I'm joining a rally with pre-war cars and all those people are going with four-wheel drives to another village, which they cannot reach with their normal cars. I might join them because I have a four-wheel drive too, but I don't know if I will make it. Originally I planned to leave the group and go to another place, like a shortcut, and have a couple of days for myself, but I don't know what I want to do yet. Because I already lost a couple of days. Because I lost my luggage and only got it back after 5 days. Tomorrow they're gonna drive back the same route that we came, because that's basically the only good road here. And I don't think there's much to film for me. So I just don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm going to the hotel where they are. And then we will see from there. There's a helicopter landing near the hotel. That's no drone flying. Well, that thing is here. Oh, I see some people get in and probably will leave immediately. This is Georgia. Just landing a helicopter on an empty space. Why not? Why not? It's safe to fly the drone now. Okay, the helicopter is long gone. I'm gonna fly the drone to make a shot of all the cars at the hotel, and then with these towers. These towers have been like houses. People live there, and the entrance was 5-6 meters high, so enemies could not get in. And on the top of the tower you can see small windows, and they could shoot with a gun at enemies. And this was for living and for protection. It's incredible. And it was like because around the corner there's another village, and those were the enemies, and they could come and steal everything. And now, of course, this is only for tourists. It's history. There's another drone going up in the air as well. I can see it. But you know, like this, it's difficult to get a good shot of the cars like that. So I think what I want to do is be more above them, like this, with the camera down. And now these cars are in the shade. Maybe move like this, put the camera down, move forward, and then top down. Like this. And now I'm going to go a little bit higher, so you have a little space to crop the image. So like this. And now I'm going to put the camera up. Hey, goedemorgen. Ik ben alweer bezig, man.
Gisteren materiaal bekeken?
Ja.
En?
Ja, er zit goed spul tussen.
Ja?
Maar ja, het is allemaal heel beperkt, zeg maar.
Ja.
Heel weinig. Het is gewoon af en toe een shotje hier, een shotje daar. En,
ja, niet lang bedoel je?
Ja, precies.
Ja.
Maar ja, goed, kijk, moet je hier in de schaduw en zo.
Ja.
Dit is toch mooi?
Zeker fraai.
Dus zal ik bijvoorbeeld zo even een plaatje maken. Dit zien?
Ja.
En dan een beetje draaien zo.
Ja. Ja, die was fraai.
Het is mooi, hè?
Ja, dat is fraai. Waanzinnig beeld, man.
Ja, dat is echt niet normaal.
Super mooi.
Ja, dat is...
Ja.
Zo, dan ga ik nou even filmen.
Ja.
Dan gaan we nou gaan we vliegen, hè? Zie zie je. Dus...
Dat ding vliegt harder dan dat ik hier beeld zie bewegen.
Ja, klopt ja.
Dat doe jij op een of andere manier.
Nee, door de afstand gewoon.
Ah. Neemt dat ding op als er andere drones in de buurt zijn, zoals gisteren? Hoor, ziet hij dat? Of,
nee.
Of weet je dat? Hou je dat in de gaten?
Ja, ik moet deze.
Ik zag jullie gisteren bijvoorbeeld op het airport zo heel langs elkaar gaan.
Ja, klopt. Nee, maar toen hadden we afgesproken dat we op verschillende hoogten zouden vliegen.
Oké.
Snap je? Dus ik hield hem gewoon een beetje op dezelfde hoogte en hij vloog geloof ik iets hoger.
Ja. Prachtig dit. Shit,
Hoppa.
Waanzinnig, hè?
We gaan zo...
Ik ga even een kop thee halen. Jij geloof om 10 uur voor de 10 mag rijden, hè?
Zoiets was het toch?
Ga jij gewoon met je eigen auto?
Ik denk ik rijd er gewoon maar achteraan.
Ja.
En als ik het op een gegeven moment niet haal, dan ga ik gewoon terug.
Precies.
That was Rico. He's the photographer. He's my connection with this group because he told me he was doing this. I said, you gotta bring me with you. We're gonna drive in any minute now. I need to get gas because it's almost empty and I don't think there will be many gas stations along the route. So I got gas. And the helicopter is back too. Wow. Let's see how the group is doing and when they are going. Oh, the group is already gone. So now I have to see if I can catch up with them. So I arrived at the city of Ushguli. It's like the most remote village in this area, and you can see, let me see, they have these same towers, but look what a stunning view. I think it is incredibly nice to make a shot with that one tower and these white peaks on the background, and then fly the drone sideways along it.
I immediately will go there. Alright, look at that. Isn't that stunning? And like this is kind of what I want to film. I think that's incredibly nice.
The thing is that there is a big glacier out there. So I think I'm gonna drive into that direction and see how far I can get and try to film the glacier with the drone. That's the idea.